The Maverick inverted a few force extractions. In other words, we need to keep them kick out. By Calabar beating and teaching KC at Champs 2017, destroying my prediction of a 70 to 100 points margin of victory for Kingston College. And I plead guilty with explanation. The Maverick committed the cardinal sin of deferring to some so-called track and field experts on the preseason developments. I put my trust and my faith in other people's analysis and judgment. I'm going to make wrong prediction. If I had done the legwork myself and make my own analysis and prediction like I normally do, I would have get the prediction right. In fact, knowing what I know now, if all things remain equal and Champs keep again this week, based on my own observations and my own analysis, I would have picked Calabar to win Champs. How you mean? To how I witnessed these Champs unfolding, this KC team was more of a hyped up team than a substance team. KC was an on-paper team, and Champs don't run on paper, it run on the track. And the Maverick should have seen that and have now seen that. And I will never, ever, ever defer to anyone on any matter of sports again. But in addition to being misled, KC gas out the Champs. Yes. Between the coaching staff, with some of the decisions made regarding the management of the entire Champs process, and some of the underperforming athletes, KC gas out and give away the Champs. So from taking bad advice to unforced injuries and KC choking and giving away the Champs, them left the Maverick toothless. Yeah, man, right now, the Maverick got that fire and one of the Maverick under some antibiotics and painkillers. See, come on, the Maverick. The Maverick under that one of the